meticulously shine with this gleaming black, like Black Panther. What's up, optimizers? What a guan. Optimize Living coming to you again with another great device. Alright, thanks again for the shares, the likes, the subscription, and the comments. Continue to do that and hit the notification bell. Right now, I'm going to showcase a device that's on my table here. No, not this one, not this iPhone 12 Max right now. Probably we can do a video for that one later. By the way, guys, you can let me know if you want to see a comparison between the two, considering that the iPhone Max 12 is one of those big flagship products for the Apple company. So we might put them toe to toe together. But for now, I'm going to show you what we have in this box here for the Samsung Ultra 21. We have this Type-C card here. We have a little small booklet on the quick how-tos. And as you can see from the shredded packaging, I've already gone through and checked everything inside. There's a pin for the SIM card holder. So we're gonna just file them together and show you a brief breakdown of the specification on this awesome device. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back. So as you can see, this phone is one gorgeous looking phone. Alright, it's the Phantom Navy color and it's really nice. I don't want to put a case on it, it looks so good. So as you can see, we have the Samsung logo there at the base, and trust me, it feels so good in the hand. Let's look at the cameras at the top. As you know, there are 5 cameras there as shown in the specification. The 1080, 2 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 40 megapixel selfie camera. The display, the front is looking so gleaming and nice. It looks meticulously shine with this gleaming black, like Black Panther. I love it. Just having some reservations of whether I should have a case for it or not. So I'm going to turn it on right about now. And as you can see, it's being booted up, right? And as I said, this particular phone is one of the best phones right now in 2021. All right, so I'm taking the pin for the SIM, and I'm going to eject the SIM card holder to see where I should put the SIM, and we're taking it out right now. At the base, it's at the base of the phone. And it's quite easy with that SIM. I would just put the SIM card in there and easily fit it in and thing. So you know, this phone, as I say, is one powerful device, and it's one of the flagship phones right now for Samsung. So in terms of even the possibilities that you can use for this phone, it has a new director's view mode where you can capture video with both front and back cameras simultaneously. That's a nice thing. So for vloggers and other content creators, they will definitely like this type of phone. That they can record reaction shots of themselves, which they can splice in alongside with their main footage. So I'm turning it on now, and waiting for it to come up. It comes in 3 different variations in terms of storage. It has the 128 gigabyte, the 256 gigabyte, and the 512. And in terms of the memory, the 128 has facilitates 12 gig, the 256 facilitates 12 also, and the 512 facilitates 16 gigs of memory. So that's a huge amount of storage there for persons who who want to take their 4K video recordings and stuff like that. So it's coming up there, and it looks real nice, real sharp with the display. I'm about to press it to initialize it right now. We're gonna accept the legal requirements, the terms and conditions for it to come up, and wait for it to come into full functionality. So I'm just checking off all the boxes here. By the way, this device also has that capability to use the S Pen, which normally comes with the Note. It's optional. You can buy it. It's sold separately, and you can buy it along with the device and set it up so it uses it. It doesn't really have that particular slot like the Note, where the Note has the slot at the bottom to facilitate the S Pen, but you can use it along with it nonetheless. So it's finishing setting up and setting up my Google information on it, and going through to finalize just this awesome phone right now. It, as I say, it's one of the dream phones out there. I'm putting out the password on it. You have options if you want to put it that way, or you want to put in the code. All right, and in the final stages of going through. In terms of the guts of the phone, it has two options. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 for the chipset, or the most common one, the Exynos 2100. So as you can see, it's fully boot up now, and I can tell it's real sharp, feeling very fluid now. Wow, oh my gosh, very responsive, very snappy. And trust me, I had a Note 10, and the Note 10 is fast, but this makes it feel like a turtle. This is like moving real fast. I like the response of it, and I'm just feeling it out right now. As you can see, the buttons are very responsive. Real quick in terms of how it matches up to the iPhone Max 12. I mean, the iPhone Max 12 is a little smaller in size, but the thing with this one, the Ultra 21, the Samsung Ultra 21, it is more sleek. It's more slimmer, and it fits real nice in the hand. So whereas the iPhone 12 was 6.7 inches, this is 6.8 inch, but it has a better grasp in the hand, because I guess of the curvature and all of that, and it's more narrow, so it feels real good in the hand. And I can tell you it really is more pronounced when you feel it, that feeling in the hand, the difference. All right, so I'm gonna take a real quick shot and feel out the photo. Wow, this is vivid, this is clear. We have lots of options here with the different ways we can take our photos and our videos on this device. And I'm just checking it out right now. There you can see a lot of features in terms of the setup for taking the photos. You have panoramic, you have slow motion, you have so much differences. As I said to you earlier, you have the director's view, where you can take it while take a shot of you while you're taking the front shot. So you know, taking a quick picture here. Wow, it's sharp. Loving it so far. And there you see our logo. Wow, zooms in real good, no blurriness. As you can see, very sharp. The colors are very vivid. Wow, this is an awesome phone, guys. It also should be noted that the Galaxy S21 Ultra is one of the only phones that is capable of running at 120 Hz, and they have redesigned the fingerprint sensor, so it's more larger and thing. So definitely buy this phone, guys. Definitely buy this phone. All right, so this is Optimized Living coming to you again with another great device. Please subscribe, share, comment, and pick you up this phone. This is an awesome buy and it's one of the best. All right, peace out, guys. Love you.